If Steam shows slow disk usage, start by confirming the issue. Next, open the Steam settings and go to Downloads to inspect cache and library paths. Open Task Manager and compare overall disk usage to Steam's reported activity. Verify drive health with a quick disk check or smart utility to rule out hardware issues. Also confirm no other apps are saturating the drive, like Cloud Sync or background updaters. If disk health looks fine, move on to 4 quick fixes that usually resolve slow Steam disk usage. First fix, in Steam settings under Downloads, click Clear Download Cache and sign back in. Second, change the download region to a nearby server to avoid throttled routes. Pause other downloads and disable Cloud Sync or antivirus scans temporarily while Steam writes the disk. If the problem persists, move the game to a different Steam library on a faster drive. Watch Task Manager during the move. Disk activity should normalize and download speeds improve. If issues continue, restart Steam or reboot the PC, and run disk repair tools. Your disk should be responsive again.